Hello there, and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we're going to learn how to make Play-Doh donuts. Here you can see I have these yummy donuts. Let's see what's inside this one. It's a cheesy bee shopkin. Hi there! Let's see what's inside this strawberry donut. Take the strawberries off the top. Wow, it's Spider-Man. Don't worry, I'll save the day. And what's inside this banoffee donut? It's Bubbles from Angry Birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Oh, I'm so worried. I'm glad I found you. What seems to be the problem, ma'am? I'm being followed by a bird. A bird? Let me have a look. My spidey senses tell me that is no ordinary bird. Let me protect you. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ha ha ha. Oh no, you don't. Look out, ma'am. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ha ha ha. Now let's learn how to make our Play-Doh surprise donuts. Take your Spider-Man toy and push it inside a ball of pink Play-Doh. Flatten into a donut shape. Now take some dark pink for the strawberries. Now take some dark pink Play-Doh and make into the strawberry shapes. Use tiny pieces of yellow for the dots and a small piece of green for the stalk. Use small pieces of white for the hundreds and thousands. And there we have our donut. Take your next toy and place it inside some yellow Play-Doh. Now let's flatten into a donut shape. Make sure it's very smooth. Make sure the toy is completely covered. Push down into the middle to make the donut shape. Now use small pieces of black and cover the donut. Let's use some brown Play-Doh for chocolate chips. Next, take some orange Play-Doh and flatten with the rolling pin. Using the craft knife, cut out some strips. Cut into small rectangles and turn up the ends, making some caramel curls. Be careful when using a knife and get an adult to help you. Why not try making lots of different types of donut?
Today we are going to be making a Play-Doh sandwich ice cream. Really simple, but it looks so real. So all you need for this is a rolling pin, a knife, a pencil, some brown Play-Doh and some white Play-Doh. The first thing we're going to do is split our brown Play-Doh in half. This is to make the top and the bottom of the sandwich. Roll it out with your rolling pin into roughly a rectangle shape. Then we're going to trim the edges using your knife. Repeat with the other half of the brown Play-Doh. Now we have the bottom and the top layers. And finally, we just have to make the ice cream. So get half of your white Play-Doh and repeat the same process again. Make sure that it's exactly the same size as the top and bottom layers. Now we just need to curve the edges using your fingers and layer it up. Yummy! And for the finishing touches, we just need to put some holes in the top using our pencil. And there you have it, a Play-Doh sandwich ice cream. Today we are going to be making a Play-Doh birthday cake. So all you need for this is some Play-Doh. You need green, brown, white, yellow, pink, and purple. We need a pencil, a knife, and a round cookie cutter. So first, you're going to take the brown Play-Doh and roll it with the rolling pin. Then you're going to use your cookie cutter to make a perfect circle. This is the base of your cake. We're going to repeat these same steps with the white Play-Doh and the pink Play-Doh. So layer your cake up, it'll be brown on the bottom, it'll be the nice yummy cream white in the middle, and pink icing on top. There you go, it's looking great already. So now we're gonna make some decorations for the top of the cake. I've got some purple Play-Doh, and I am rolling it out to get it flat so I can make the petals of a flower. I'm going to pinch the ends to make them look lifelike, and then I'm going to put them on top of the cake. Now I'm going to take a little bit of yellow Play-Doh to make the center of the flower. Pop it in the middle. And finally, some green Play-Doh to make the stem and leaves. Roll it into a nice thin noodle. And there you have the stem of the flower. Don't forget to make some leaves the same way you made the petals. You can make them a little bit bigger. And use the knife to score them with the veins of the leaf. Finally, using your knife, score the petals so it looks even more real. And there you go, a perfect Play-Doh birthday cake. Today, we are going to be making Play-Doh lollipops. All you need for it is a knife, some Play-Doh, and some popsicle sticks. So let's get started. First, you want to break off a portion of your Play-Doh. This depends on how big you want to make your lollipop. So we're going to roll it until you're happy with the shape. Then you press the popsicle stick into the bottom. Make sure it's on firmly, give it a squeeze, and then repeat with all the different colors. You can get fun and creative and make all sorts of different shapes. Why don't you try and see what happens? Next, we're going to take the knife and score around the lollipop. If this is a sharp knife, you might have to get an adult to help you out. Once you've scored the lollipop, give it a press so the edge isn't too prominent. And then repeat on all of the different lollipops. This just gives it a bit of texture. And there you have it, Play-Doh lollipops. Today we are going to be doing a Play-Doh watermelon slice. Cool, huh? They look delicious, but remember, you can't eat them. So for this, you're going to need a Play-Doh knife, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and green Play-Doh. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to flatten out your red Play-Doh. I'm making 2 watermelon slices, so I'm flattening out 2 bits of the Play-Doh. We're then going to use our knife to cut it into a triangle shape. But don't forget to round the top. Next we're going to make the rind. We do that using the green. Attach it at the top like so and cut off any extra. Now, to give it a bit of detail, we're going to line it with a thin strip of white. Like this. And of course, don't forget the pips. Don't these look delicious? And there you have it, watermelon slices made out of Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making Play-Doh ice cream bars. So all you need for this is a rolling pin, round cookie cutters, popsicle sticks, purple Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, and a knife. So first we're going to roll out our pink Play-Doh using our rolling pin. Then we are going to cut half of a rectangle, and using our cookie cutter, we're going to cut a curved top. Now we're going to repeat the process with the purple Play-Doh. Now, using our cookie cutter with the serrated edge, we're going to cut the 2 different colors into 3 shapes. Then we're going to swap the middle of each of the colors. Push them together and then insert the popsicle stick into the bottom. And there you have it, 2 perfect Play-Doh ice cream bars. Voila! Today we are going to be making some Play-Doh cupcakes. These are great for playtime and are so much fun to make. All you're going to need is a knife, some cupcake cases, and coloured Play-Doh. Remember, you can use any different colour that you like. So the first thing to do is to make the base of the cupcake. I've chosen yellow. Put them in your cupcake cases. Now, I'm using pink to do a spiral of icing. Next, I have purple dots to decorate. And there it's finished. Now on my second cupcake, I'm doing a spiral of white icing. I've decided to do a second spiral of blue to give it some added decoration. And there you have it. You can have so much fun doing your own decorations and using your own colours. Today we are going to be making really yummy Play-Doh chocolate chip cookies. So all you're going to need is some black Play-Doh and some brown Play-Doh. Now these couldn't be easier to make. All you want to do is to roll out your brown Play-Doh. Make the cookie base. Make as many cookies as you like. Next we're going to get some black Play-Doh to be the chocolate chips. Make some small balls and press them down on top. Don't forget, it's Play-Doh so you can't eat it. Do this for every one of your cookies. And there you have it. Really cute and easy Play-Doh chocolate chip cookies.